Welcome back to my channel. This is Mr. Will's FX Trading Hub again. I have a question to ask. As a forex trader, you trade on boom and crash and synthetics index. Why buying expert option robots? Why you can build one for yourself? Okay, today I'll be taking us on a step-to-step guide on how you can build your own expert option robot for your MT5 all by yourself. You don't need to buy. All you need, if you have a working strategy you have been using to trade and you trust it all by yourself, you can build like this one that I showed us the other day on how it has been working. This one I showed us the other day. Today I want to build a robot that will be automatically trading for me without doing it manually. On this side you have to build everything by yourself, on this place. I did a setup all by myself, and I have to watch it and pick a trade anytime it meets up with the criteria on our trading. But today I will be taking you on a step-to-step guide on how you can build this same robot, a robot that will trade for you, that will watch at market like this and pick a trade for you without you doing it manually. This is a proper signal for our trading. If you have watched my previous video on how to use this strategy, I did a video on how to use this strategy manually and trade anytime it meets up the criteria like this. But it's not every time that you will be active, or you'll be with your phone, or you watch the market. As far as you have the robot running, you are able to build the robot by yourself. It can pick a trade for you as long as you have a running account, a live account that you are trading with. Okay, I want to take us on the step-to-step guide on how to build this EA robot by yourself without anybody guiding you, or without you trading manual. Okay, in my screen, as you can see, I have a splitter screen here, this one here, and of course the second one, this one and this one. I have these two running, and if you don't have, you can do it with your PC too. You can do it with your tab. Currently I'm using my tab to design the robot, but you can still as well do it on your laptop. Okay, let's see how it goes. Let me take you on how to do it. And please, if you're watching my video for the first time, this is Mr. Will's Trading Hub. You can turn on your notification bell and please subscribe so that you see my videos anytime I upload them. All right, now let's dive deeply into it. The first thing you need to do is to head over to this site over here, fxtrader.fsetrader.com, and of course have your account signed in. Sign up with your account if you don't have, or already signed in with my account. But if you don't have, you can as well sign up in the account. But if you already have, you just sign in. Now head over. We are building create a robot. Now this is the first interface you will see here once you open the site. This is the first thing you'll be seeing here. Now this is another thing we're going to do here. The next thing we're going to do here is to, all right, after you have signed up, you head over to the site. In the site you're going to see something that so you're going to be seeing some things like this. You see, if you want to build a simple, if you want to build on grid, edging and martingale. Okay, all those robots you have been buying and all of that, most of them are customized just like it. And that's why I tell you, you can do this too by yourself. You can design as long as you have a strategy, or you watch my videos and there are strategies you like. You can also copy the setup and come over to this place and build the app the bot, trading bot by yourself. All right, let's head over. The next thing we're going to be doing, let's keep it on simple because we are trading simple. Let's keep it on simple because we are trading, want to build it on a simple. Another thing you take note here is the platform you want to build it. The platform you are building here and is on, either you are building with MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4, but we are building this one on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 rather. Now here, are we building it dynamic or fixed? Now for the sake of the tutorial, let's leave it on dynamic. And here we're going to take a look and pay attention at this place. It's going to determine what we're going to do here. So here we're going to do the setup here. The first is risk per order. So how much of your equity are you willing to risk per order? Now don't be greedy when it comes to this place, so that you won't blow your account. Okay, so we're taking it 0.5, though that's high. Per trade you are risking 0.5 of your equity. That's high, but for the sake of the video, let's keep it that way. Now, maximum per day, maximum order per day. How many order are you expecting per day? You can choose 30, you can choose 10, you can choose 20, 25, 26, 27, as the case may be. So for the sake of the tutorial, we are just taking 10 trades per day. So you click on 10 trades. Now this is the loss. Let's leave it at 0.25. The maximum loss per day daily, 0.25% of your equity, and maximum is 0.5. Okay, because that's the maximum, um that's the risk per order we did on the first setup. Okay, here again is the trade management. Take a look at this place. Go pay attention here. Trade management, we're going to leave it at calculate risk per, calculated from ATR. You can put fixed distance peak, and also you can put fractal low high, but let's read that calculated from ATR indicator. Now 1.5, just leave it this way for so that you won't blow your account. ATR indicator, and let's leave it at 2. Now trailing stop, fixed distance, fractal low high, and break even. Okay, so let's leave it at break even, 25%. Okay, there is another place I want us to pay close attention to. This place is where it determines what we are trading. Now, entry rules. Are you trading buy or sell? Do you want to build this robot on buy or sell, or you are building it in all, whether it's buying or selling? Now here we leave it at all because we want to build it for both buy and for selling. These are our add entry signal. Here now is where you need those setup you've seen in different places. All right, where you'll be needing all the indicators that you have seen, like the one we have over here, the one we have over here, the one we have over here. Okay, so here, take a look here, pay attention, the indicator we are using. Now you come over to this place and look for the indicator we used in getting these signals, these perfect and wonderful signals you are seeing right here. These perfect and wonderful signals you are seeing right here. Yeah, this is what you do now. Come over to this place, open it. This is MACD. Now come over to this place and pick MACD. And if you have selected MACD, the rules, the buy and sell rules, is line crossing. That's is line crossing, as you see here is line crossing. So don't worry, you see what I'm talking about immediately. We now do your setup here. See 12 here, this one is 12. You come over and see here is 12 too. Now 12, 26, 9, 12, 26, 9. Apply to close. Apply to close. Our own is apply to weighted close. So you leave it apply to weighted close. Candle shift is 0. Our shift is 0 here. Okay, since our shift is 0, let me show you where the magic happens. Can you see what we have here? Can you see exactly what we have here? Can you see exactly what we have here? That's the exact thing we have over here too. All right, if you can see now, you see that this is exact thing we have right here. What we have in our MetaTrader here, what we have here is the same thing we have here too. All right, can you see the same thing? So let's continue with our setup. Now you just click on save changes. You save changes. Now close order on train change. Yes, immediately it changes, close your order. So you click on yes. Now exit signal. Exit signals. Now this exit signal means when do you want to close the trade. Now the robot is going to do, if you are trading manual, you close immediately. You pick your candles, your 10 candles, you're closing the trade. But for this one, the robot is going to be doing everything automatic for you, doing it even without your consent. So we're going to take care and pay close attention to know when to close the trade. Don't forget, we are trading on the MACD is the indicator we are using. The rules is so shift how many candles. This is where you put your 10 candles. It's 10 candles that we are doing here. Apply to needed weighted close. All right, so can you see? Just save it that way. Now head over. What next? Now what next? Now indicator MACD time frame current. All right, so come over to this place. Do you want to trade manual? Here, this is another setup we need to do. Are you trading automatic or manual? So we are trading manual because it's a bot. How do you want, I believe most of us have bought some robots that give sound. Immediately there is a signal, it will send a message to your mobile phone or to your email, or a sound from your PC. Now, how do you want to get your sound? Do you want a mobile alert, or email alert, or sound alert? Or you can still tick all of them if you want to receive it, an alert on your email, on your mobile alert, or sound on your PC or so. So trading hours. So here you can choose if you are trading any hour you would like exactly to trade, but we will leave it at 0.0 and to 0.0 because the market we are trading can come up anytime. It doesn't have to deal with time and all of that. This is very vital when you're trading on gold. When you're trading gold and the rest of that, that's where you pay close attention to this time of a thing. All right, let's continue. We head over to trading days. You want to trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Do you have any date specifically you want to set it on? So you head over there and set it. You have just do it that way. Just leave it. We don't have any days. Trading days is every day, every day, every day, Monday till Sunday. That's what we'll do. Monday to Sunday. Boat's name. Have you seen many boats have a name? So we're going to name this one This is Wills FX. In case you've forgotten, this is Wills FX Trading Hub. Wills FX Trading Hub. This is Wills FX Trading Hub. What name do we give it now? Wills FX Trading Hub. Boom and crash. Boom and crash bot. Alright, boom and crash speed bot. Let's just give it that name, okay? So that's it. Once you're done with this setup, the next thing to do is to hit the bot. It's a build the bot. Oh, okay. Now let's say we have to change this because it's low. Okay, what else do we need to change? Please add a trending filter. Please add a trend filter if you want order to close when. Oh, okay. We're gonna add trend filter. Don't forget, it's still what we have here that we are still setting up again. Okay, it's still what we have there that we are setting here. What we have here on the setup that we are still setting. Let's still check if there is another distance. Okay, we are done with the building. Let's wait and see what we'll have here. Boom, you see, this is it. Is active. Is active. What we are going to do now is to head over to download. We are downloading file. This is the file, the bot that we have downloaded. This is the bot that we have downloaded now. See, this is it. This is the bot we have downloaded here. So what do we need to do now is to install it on our PC on our PC, so we'll trade with it. The next video I'll be doing, I'll show you how to, because of the length of the video, I will show you how to install these on your PC and start trading as fast as possible. Thank you. Please hit the subscription button and turn on notification bell. And if you have any question regarding this bot and all of that, you can just leave that on the comment section. Mind you, this bot we just built now will be on my Telegram channel for as many that will be needing it. I'll be giving it out for free. All right, I'll be giving it for free. So join my Telegram channel and join our WhatsApp group to get notified and some tips and everything I've been dropping there. Thank you. This is Mr. WILLSFX Trading Hub. See you on my next video.